Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm traveling with my family from Bergen to Sandnes city here in Norway. The journey takes about 5 hours by car, and along the way we make some short stops to eat, relax and let the car cool down. One of the best parts of this trip is that we get to take the ferry 2 times, which makes the drive even more fun and gives us the chance to enjoy the beautiful views of the shores and mountains. Since it is a Sunday, Sandnes is very quiet, but that makes it even more beautiful. When we finally arrive, we check into our hotel, which is called Hotel Sivera. It's a nice and comfortable place to stay, and it's right in the center city. After resting a little, we walk around Sandnes to see some of its charm and enjoy the calm atmosphere. And to finish the day, we find a place to eat some delicious pizza, which really makes our family trip complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this journey with us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel adventures.
Uza muri hoteli nta muntu hasanga, uraza ukiyinjiza ukoresha amakode, ukinjira ukarinda ugera mu cyumba cyawe, nta muntu uhuye nawe, nta muntu ukuvugishije.